Hello students, greetings to all. Let us begin our class with the remaining part of the lesson. I have explained the half of the lesson. The name of the lesson is the selfish gain children. Yesterday I have completed from the first part, A part we have completed. A part we have completed. So in this lesson children, let us rewind the lesson what is happened. Okay, in the lesson two characters are mentioned. What are those characters? Here see children, old gate is there, the gate is there. Old gate is the kind-hearted one and the gate is the selfish. He became selfish. Now, old Gain, what he has done? Both of them are same characters children. Okay, both of them are same characters. Okay, both of them are same character. Both of them are what children? Both of them are the same character, but in the beginning he was old Gain. Later on he went somewhere and came back to his home. Okay, he visited to his friend's home. After coming from his home, he became the Gain. He became selfish. Now children, what he has done? The old Gain has owned the garden. Okay, he owned the garden, a very beautiful garden in which different types of flowers are grown and different types of fruits are grown in the autumn, and upon the trees the beautiful birds will sing the beautiful birds sang the different songs with music. Okay children, now what is happened? Now some children used to go to the school in the morning. After completion of the school, in the afternoon section they used to go to the garden and they used to play in the garden children. One day what is happened? He visited to the old Gain has visited to the home children, to his friend's home. The old Gain has visited to his friend's home. After 7 years he returned back and he saw that some children are playing in the garden. He did not like that. He did not like the children are playing in the garden. What he has done? He just shouted at the children and the children have ran away from the garden, and he wrote and he constructed a wall near to the garden. On that wall he has kept one notice board. What is that notice board children? Trespassers will be prosecuted. Okay children, now what is the meaning that he is telling that is my garden, no one should play in my garden, myself I will play in that garden, this garden belongs to me. Okay, now after the children who ran away from this garden, they are talking to each other beside the wall of the garden. What the children are telling children? The tall girl is telling, from those children the tall girl is telling, now we have no way to play. Yes, no way to play. And someone is telling that we can play on the road, but the road is very dusty. If we fall down, again one is telling, if we fall down on the road, the stones are present. If we fall on the stones, you get the injury. Okay children. Now lastly, one boy is telling that he is the selfish Gain. He is not making us to play in the garden. Instead of playing in the garden, we just go near to the wall and we will discuss about the beauty of the garden. Some children are making the discussion. Okay children. Now come to the page number 35. I have mentioned on the blackboard. Let us start the class here. Let us begin the lesson. The Gain. Who is the Gain? The selfish Gain is speaking now. My own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play in it but myself. Again he is repeating the same children. This is my own garden. No one should play in the garden. This belongs to me only. The children scattered. Okay, when he is hearing the Gain is hearing whatever the talk is made by the children. Beside the wall he heard and he shouted that. When he shouted, the children scattered. In the bracket he has given scattered. Means the children had moved in a different direction. They ran in a different direction children. Old Gain. What the old Gain is telling? Second paragraph children. The old Gain. Then the spring came. All over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. Only in my garden it was still winter. We are talking about the garden. In which season children? The garden, we are talking about the winter season. So all over the world, all over the country, the winter has, the spring has came. Yes, spring means the autumn has came. Autumn is nothing but the season which comes after the season comes in the middle of winter and in the summer. Okay, middle of winter and season, the spring season will come, children. So the spring came all over the country. But what has happened? There is no spring season in my garden. The birds did not come to sing and the trees forgot to bloom. The trees did not come for sing. The birds in the garden did not come. Okay, in the garden the birds did not come. Why? Because there is no spring and the trees does not bloom. Bloom is nothing but the trees does not give the flowers. Okay, the new leaves doesn't come for the trees. The people who were pleased best were the snow and the frost. The people who were pleased best were the snow and the frost. That means in the winter season only the snow and the frost is having, children. What is there in the garden? Only the snow and the frost. Both of them are there. Snow and frost. Again characters are given. Snow. Okay, children. Snow and frost. Everybody knows snow? Snow, children. You'll find in the German country. Snow is falling. Yes, snow. And frost is nothing but ice crystals. Small crystals, children. Small crystals like a sugar. Ice crystals. So frost that has gathered. Okay, that is spread all over the garden, children, in the winter season. The old gate is telling. Now, snow and frost. Snow and frost is speaking few words. What they are speaking? Spring has forgotten this garden. Now we can live here all the year round. Okay, snow. It is a correct and suitable place for the snow and the frost to stay at the garden, no, children. Why? Because the winter has not going from this garden. That means we are going to stay here for whole year. Okay, snow and the frost is telling. Now, after hearing this, after the completion, old gate is telling. What he is telling? The snow covered up the grass with a great white cloak. C-L-O-A-K. That means the snow is covered all over the grass. Whatever the grass is present in the garden, children, that is covered with the snow with a great white cloak. C-L-O-A-K, meaning he has given a type of coat that has no sleeves. That means it has totally covered with the sleeves with a great white cloak. And the frost painted all the trees silver. Whatever the crystal, ice crystal is painted all the trees in a silver color. Now, then they invited the north wind to stay with them. Who is inviting? The old wind. Old gate is inviting for the north wind. North wind means nothing but the wind, the air which is coming from the north side. Okay, children. Then they invited the north wind to stay with him, to come and stay with him in the garden. Then he came. Okay, when he came, he was wrapped in heavy furs. That means when the heavy winds came, when the north wind came, what happened? They are covered with the wind is covered. Wrapped is nothing but wrapped. W-R-A-P-P-E-D, children. Wrapped is nothing but covered. The meaning of wrapped is covered. Okay? Covered, children. Wrapped, covered. When he came, he was covered in heavy furs. Furs is nothing but coat. Coat, or it is covered. How our head is covered with the hair, no? Like that it is covered. He rode all day about the garden. He is roaring. That means he is shouting. Who is shouting? The north wind is shouting. He rode all the day about the garden and rejoiced in blowing the chimney pots over. That means rejoiced. He is enjoyed. Okay. Now, north wind is telling, this is a delightful spot. That means the wind is telling that this is a delightful spot. Delightful means lovely. Okay, delightful is nothing but lovely spot. We must ask the hair to come on a visit. That means all are coming here. Now, who is coming here? North wind has came, children. North wind has came. North wind is enjoying in the garden. Okay, enjoying with the garden. Next, the north wind is inviting for hail. H-A-I-L. Okay, children. Now, who is invited here? The north wind is inviting for the hail to come on a visit. What is the hail, children? What is the meaning of the hail? Hail is nothing but the pellets of frozen rain. How the raindrops will fall on children? How the raindrops will fall in the rainy season? Small drops, small drops. Okay, so that is called the hail. It is looks like a rain only, but the snow falls on the ground, children. This is a delightful spot. We must ask the hail to come on a visit. So now old Gent is telling. So the old hail came. The old hail also came. The old hail also visited in the garden, children. Every day for 3 hours he rattled on the roof of the castle till the broke most of the slates, and then he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. He was dressed in grey and his breath was like ice. I sat on the window and looked out at my cold white garden. That means the old Gent is describing about his garden, how the garden has become now. Who has visited? The many visitors have visited. The snow and the frost has came, and the snow and the frost invited for the north winds, and the north wind has invited for the hail. They all have gathered at that place. Okay, they all have gathered at that place, and they are enjoying, and they are feeling that we are going to live in this garden for a total year, or for a whole year. Okay, children. Now old Gent sat at the window. He sat at the window and looked at the cold white garden. It is a cold white garden. No leaves are seen, and no fruits are seen, and no flowers are seen. They are totally covered with snow, frost, heavy winds. Okay, whatever it means, children. Now the selfish Gent is talking. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. I cannot understand why the spring is not coming. Why the spring is not visiting in our garden. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden, but to my garden she gave none. That means the spring is not coming. He is so worried. Now he is telling that the Gent is telling, I cannot understand. That means he is not understanding why the spring is not approaching, why the spring is not coming. I hope there will be change in the weather. The Gent is telling, I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. I hope there will be change in the weather. He is thinking that there might be some change in the weather. That's why the spring is not coming, and he is so worried, children. But the spring never came, nor the summer. Okay, still they are in the winter only. The old Gent is telling, we are just in the winter only. The spring is not coming, and the summer is not approaching. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden. That means the autumn season. In that season, every tree will give the fruit to the fruit. But here in our garden there is no fruit is given, but to the other gardens it has given the fruits also. Autumn has given the golden fruit also. Autumn. Now autumn is telling, he is too selfish. Who is selfish here, children? He is too selfish. The Gent is selfish. He is too selfish. Old Gent. So it was always winter here. That means it was always. He is giving directly, children. He is giving directly. In the beginning of the lesson I have told, no? The old Gent addressed the audience directly. That means the old Gent is talking directly to the audience. That means to the readers who are reading this lesson, no? For them, he is speaking directly. And the conversation is made between the selfish Gent. So the old Gent is telling, so it was always winter. Okay, it was always winter for total year. The north wind, the hail, and the frost and the snow danced about through the trees. That means this all. Who are those children? The snow and the frost, north wind, hail. They all what they are doing? They are just dancing on the trees, children. Okay, children. Till here we have completed the first part of the lesson. The selfish Gent. Okay, children, I have completed the lesson. What is your duty? You should have to read the lesson once or twice, underline for the difficult words, and note down in your notebook. It will be improving your. It is useful for improving your vocabulary, children. Next, glossary. Let us go to the glossary, children. Glossary. Some words are very difficult, and he has given the meaning. Peach tree. What are those, children? Peach tree means trees bearing round fruit with soft red and yellow skin. That means peach tree is nothing but the trees which are going to give the fruits. Springtime, the season between winter and summer, when plants begin to grow. When these plants give the fruits for us. For this, we can tell the springtime. Delicate blossom, tender flowers. Next, castle. Castle means large, strong building with strong and thick walls. That is called a castle. Trespassers, person who go into land without permission. I have told no, one notice has mentioned. Who has mentioned, children? The gate has mentioned one notice. What is the note? Trespassers will not be prosecuted. Trespassers means people who go into the land without permission. Okay, they are called the trespass. Whispering, speaking quietly, without making a noise, speaking quietly. Scatter means disperse, spread over. The who has scattered here? The children has scattered. That means they have dispersed in different direction, running in a different direction. Cloak, a type of coat that has no sleeves. Next, wrapped, covered or dressed. Rejoice, expressed great happiness. Who is rejoiced here, children? Who is rejoiced here? The snow and the frost. Okay, the snow and the frost and the north winds have rejoiced in the garden. Chimney pot, a short white pipe placed on the top of a chimney. Next, delightful, very pleasant and charming. Okay, children, these are the glossary. It is very important to learn the meanings. Okay, each and every word has the meaning here. You should have to write in your notebook and you should have to learn the meanings also. So with this I am ending my class. Next class I will be coming with the new topic.